Alright, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like, girl. Whichever one you freaking like. So today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial, and it's gonna be a makeup tutorial, and it's gonna be on these brows right here. Get into it. You see me. You see me. Don't do that. Don't. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, a lot of you guys have been asking me how I do my brows. You like how I do my brows. I've been getting people tell me on Instagram and YouTube now, and it's just about time that I just do a whole video specifically for it. So that is why I'm here today. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to give you guys like some tips and stuff, my products I use, and the products will also be listed in the description box below. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. All right, so first things first, my brows are laminated. If you have been here for a while, or if this is your first video, I do have very thin brows, as you can see. But I do have them laminated, which just, it's pretty much like a perm for your brows. So it makes my brow hair straight. So instead of them like laying like that, I can push them up. Oh, excuse my little dirty brush, but I use edge control. That's another thing. I use edge control to lay my brows in place. If you don't like that, then I don't know what to tell you. Yes, I just push them up first. So I just take a makeup wipe just to get the brush like super thin. This way, when I create the brow strokes and make them look fluffier, that's going to help me get that precise like brow stroke. So then I just take some of the product on my brush like so. I always start with this brow because this brow is just like, she cooperates with me. I always start at the base of my eyebrow, and then I pretty much create the brow by going down and creating my tail. So I'm pretty much outlining the like arch of my brow, how I like it to be arched. Get some more, and this is when I actually create the like brow hair strokes. The only key is you want to have like very light strokes. Like you don't want to put a lot of product on your brush at first, because if you do, then you're gonna have a super thick like brow hair, and it's gonna be hard to like blend it out. So just make sure you don't have a lot of product on there. But if you feel like you do, always start at the back part of your brow, like towards the tail. And this is literally all I'm doing. I'm pretty much creating like fake brow hairs on top of my brow hairs to just make them more pronounced and like more bold, because obviously you see I don't really have bold brows, and when you have a full face of makeup on, girl, you need some brows or you're going to look like an alien. And I stop it, like I let go, well not let go, but I come off of my skin where I want my brow hair to stop, because I don't want to go past a certain point. So I wouldn't go like all the way up here. You know what I mean? Like I would stop it right there. And especially when it comes to the corner of my brow, I'm going to really start to shape my brow. So that's what I'm about to do now, is shape the top part. And just like that, and just keep working it into the shape that I want. And as I'm going down my tail, like you can see where the hair is long here and then it starts to get shorter. In the very end of the tail, I'm pretty much not even using the whole brush. Like here, I can use the whole brush, but on the end of the tail, I'm using the tip of my brush so that it can create a very short hair-like stroke. So like that. And now I'm going to go in and start making some of the brow hairs darker, because I don't want it to look faint. I want it to be a little bit more bold than this.
I'm so anxious just to feel that silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby.
Alright, so now you can see like the difference between this brow and this brow. Obviously, it's a huge difference. And I like it. Like, I just love doing my brows like this now. I'm about to burp. Excuse me. But I love doing my brows like this now. So then I just take a little bit of my edge control on the spoolie part of the brush. I love double-ended brushes like this because I don't have to go look for a spoolie. Like, it's just right there. So I just take it and I brush my brow hairs up. So as you can see, like now it looks kind of faded from that edge control. So I just take some more of the eyebrow gel and go like that. Just to darken up some hairs. And that's how I do my brows. So I'm just going to show you guys on this side, just because I know some people learn how to do things just from seeing it. So I'm not going to talk, and I'm just going to speed through and show you guys on my other brow.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for seductive, miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you having it, place on
Now I got my whole face together. Oh, I didn't even put no highlight on. I really don't need it. But this is how my face looks after I have like my lashes and stuff on. And I put some mascara on and stuff. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have like any questions about how to do my brows, leave it in the comment section below and I will get to it. Also subscribe if you're not already a part of the gang, because a lot of y'all be watching and don't be subscribing. But yeah, subscribe to the gang. Also follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny. And like this video if you like these type of videos, like these tutorial type videos. And that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.